Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this the news bit presented to you by Ladies Like and Jess Sentino. Follow the beat from the studio to the street. Info with the flow keeps you sharp and in the know. Sit back, relax, enjoy the news. Follow. On 7th of April, we celebrated World Health Day. Newsbeat brings you a special episode where we'll talk about the most important, our precious health. It's time for an annual checkup. You come into clinic?
A checkup for what? I feel just fine.
Sure, but you could change with time. Think of a cost of a serious illness compared to a simple checkup for wellness. An annual checkup can catch a disease and prevent it from progressing with ease.
It's not African. Why should we look for disease?
Not disease. You're looking for prevention, and only a test would show the symptoms. It's easy to go for a checkup. Why don't we Africanize it?
Not so fast. Some are too poor to go, living hand to mouth, or they just don't know. Some are too busy chasing wealth.
Still, health is the real wealth. Without it, a country can't progress.
Yes.
And it costs more to battle illness.
Yes, that's right. Yo, Ladies Like, where did you go?
Straight to the clinic. I want to be in the know. Not so bad. There's a few basic tests to start. Like cholesterol test to help protect your heart, or complete blood count and blood pressure, and testing for your kidney for a good measure. Take a little time for cancer screening. We all know you can never see it coming, but just don't let doctors do any tests. Ask for details. If it makes sense, then accept. As Newsbeat is saying, you better check yourself before you wreck yourself.
Mental health is a big issue in Uganda, yet few people treated, often left with just a stigma. People call them possessed, others label them bewitched. But mental health is a real health problem, as long as patients are not cared for. In Uganda, there are 2 mental institutions, and Kutabika is the second biggest in the nation, taking over 30,000 patients a year and continuously improving patient care. Even though health worker to patient ratio is still low, with only 32 psychiatrists in the country, that's all, more medical students need to enter the profession to cope with the rising numbers of admission. Reasons for mental illness are many: trauma, poverty, or brain chemistry. And hospitals are only part of the solution. Another key is a supportive family that accepts mental illness for what it is, a disease that can be healed and fixed. Stigma scares youth from reproductive health services. Our reporter MC Law is here with more.
Do adults forget what it was like to be adolescents, to go through puberty and all these changes? With this stigma, youth won't get to grow. Youth can't take a stand. They shouldn't budge. They need health workers that won't judge.
The truth is, youth are the future of this nation. They need information to make good decisions. It's so confusing and youth have questions, but most adults have no suggestions. If youth go to clinics for help or facts, adults want to know why they're asking about sex. Youth are just trying to protect themselves, but some adults treat them like they're wasting themselves. Well, youth have the freedom to ask because they face the most risk. Without reproductive health services, they risk pregnancy and HIV infections.
So where do youth go if not to adults?
To their classmates or to Google results, but the answers are full of contradictions and often end up in unsafe abortions. If youth are likely to be sexually active, then they need access to health services.
I have seen youth around Uganda asking for the same, for access to health without people dropping names.
Youth have a right to reproductive health. That's physical, social and mental health. Spread the word.
Working out is good to keep healthy, and because health is wealth, MCL has a few tips to keep you wealthy.
Exercise is great to fight depression, running or jumping. It works better than medication. It reduces stress and anxiety and also increases creativity. Exercise also strengthens your heart, especially for older people that get heart attacks. And if you suffer from an addiction, Ugandans are falling victim to cancer and diabetes. We change our food habits and get new diseases because few can afford medication. Running and exercising is a free and easy solution. If you love your life, you want to make it last longer. But by being idle, you won't get any stronger. You don't need a membership to the fitness club to take a morning run or do a couple of push-ups. So run for your life and listen to your body. It's the one thing that will keep you healthy, and most importantly, it will keep you happy. I'm MC Yala reporting for Newsbeat.
That was MC Yala with a great story and always a perfect delivery. That was the health news on the beat. Next week will be another hit. Still Ladies Like and Jess Sentino, reporting live and direct with love and respect. Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Yes, and stay healthy.
Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Yes, and stay healthy.